Welcome to Bitcoin. Looking ahead, the prediction game feels like staring into a crystal ball that sometimes shows fireworks and sometimes smoke. Optimists believe Bitcoin's limited supply will continue pushing demand higher. They see a future where every portfolio includes Bitcoin, where governments can't ignore it, and where it stands tall as a hedge against economic chaos. The dream is simple. Scarcity drives value. Just like rare art or vintage wine, the fewer there are, the higher the price climbs. Skeptics, however, paint a different picture. They argue that Bitcoin's volatility makes it unsuitable for daily transactions. They remind us that regulations are tightening, governments are watching closely, and the competition from central bank digital currencies is real. They warn that one wrong move from regulators could clip Bitcoin's wings faster than a pair of blunt scissors. But let us be honest, even the skeptics keep a small stash of Bitcoin hidden somewhere. Why? Because fear of missing out is real. No one wants to be the person who laughed at Bitcoin back in the day, only to watch it skyrocket and become the backbone of a new financial era. So whether you are a die-hard believer or a cautious doubter, you probably check the chart at least once a week, pretending it is just for research. Humor aside, what makes Bitcoin special is not just the price, it is the culture around it. Bitcoin is not just a coin, it is a movement, a statement, a rebellion against the old system. For some, it is about freedom. For others, it is about profit. For many, it is about being part of history. That emotional connection means price predictions are never just about numbers. They are about dreams, fears, and the very human urge to believe in something bigger. So what can we predict for the near future? Expect volatility. Expect wild nights of price surges and equally wild mornings of corrections. Expect headlines screaming either glory or doom. And above all, expect people to keep talking about it, because Bitcoin has become the heartbeat of the digital economy. At the end of the day, predicting Bitcoin is like predicting the weather. You can check all the patterns, listen to all the experts, and still get caught in the rain without an umbrella. The best approach is to stay informed, stay cautious, and maybe keep a little humor along the way. Because if you cannot laugh when Bitcoin flips upside down overnight, then maybe this ride is not for you. For now, the story continues. The price dances, the crowd watches, and the debate rages on. Bitcoin remains the unpredictable star of the financial stage, loved, hated, feared, and admired all at once. And no matter where it goes, one thing is certain: